Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2015 BMW 5 Series GT. That's right, this is the 535. Okay, we had two of these that we took in, so I definitely got the two of them confused. This is the 535 GT Grand Touring. It's the SUV that isn't. Yeah, I know the remote battery's low. You're going to auction. This whole thing's just pretty darn cool. Interior-wise, feels like a 5 Series, just with a lift kit. And that's essentially what this thing is, and a hatch design. But at least where I'm based, these things are pretty darn hard to come by. Same with the Volvo S60 cross country. They're sedans that aren't sedans. This is like, all right, sedan sales are going down. People want SUVs. Let's make a sedan that is an SUV and see what happens. Well, I think we know what happened. Turbocharged straight 6, got plenty of pep. That's for sure. Yes, BMW driver, using his turn signal. Aha! It's like that's not the most overplayed joke in the German car community. I want to know how somebody lost control and hit a sign. How do you do that? Oh man. Just a cubby. You know how I said this drove kind of like a lifted 5 Series? Kind of is exactly what it drives like, but it doesn't. Think of this. Well, this is exactly what it is. It's between the 5 Series, the 535i normal xDrive, and the X5. It's directly in the middle of that. I don't know what else you want me to say, but it drives right in between the two. I definitely have a more SUV-like experience. I definitely am sat higher up, but I don't feel like I am in an SUV. I think I'm in a sedan, just sitting in the full upright position, whereas I'm sitting as low as this chair can go. You know, this is a pretty darn nice car, and I really wish we could keep this thing, but just with what this car would need to make it perfect for us to sell, it's better off for us to send to auction for somebody else to put it on their lot, where we have such high standards of what we want on our lot. I mean, I sit there and I don't want a car on the lot if it has the TPMS light on. You know, I'm very, very much a stickler of what a car should be when we go to sell it. And for us to get this car to that exact point where every single little thing is fixed, it just doesn't make sense for us to keep it, with the auction being as strong as it is. So essentially this car is perfect. Just got little leaks here and there. Just for us to replace it with OEM parts and go through with the labor charge of high-end mechanics. If I was a mechanic, I could fix this thing up for $1,000, maybe $2,000. But using OEM parts, it doesn't make sense. But the bones of the car are absolutely rock solid. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.